Welcome to Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA, home to country music legends. But if you cross the bridge over the Cumberland River, you will see another side to Nashville. This is our Nashville. At our school, over 95% of students live in poverty, and families face high energy costs because of the inefficiency of their homes. With the record cold snap this winter, families are having to choose between heating their homes and buying food.
We're gonna just cut off our heating, so we just wear warm clothing around the house, like sweatpants and sweatshirts.
Our teacher challenged us to consider what could be done about this problem. First, we watched a documentary called Kilowatt Hours. We learned how coal mining in East Tennessee has led to mountaintop removal and coal ash spills. Then, when the coal is burned, it creates air pollution that leads to global warming. After watching the documentary, Mr. Berry came and spoke with our class. He taught us how to make simple and inexpensive home improvements to make our homes more efficient. We also learned how to calculate the difference in kilowatt hours used by different types of light bulbs and appliances.
We received donations from a local home improvement store, and we made changes to make our home more energy efficient. We changed light bulbs to see it fails, plugged in charges, power strips, and we put weather strip tape around the doors.
We put weather stripping to keep the cold out and the heat in.
Next month, we will compare electricity bills between the control group and the group who made changes.
Back in the classroom, we designed experiments to test the effectiveness of some of the improvements. For example, we tested the effect of using weather strip tape around the gap of a lid in a cooler.
Your house could be 3.3 degrees warmer with the weather strip tape.
Another group of students worked on developing an app to help consumers see the potential energy savings by making two small changes to CFL lights and lowering the thermostat in the winter. The app calculates how much money a consumer could save by typing in the number of light bulbs they have and what temperature to set their heat at in winter.
Finally, we worked with a local environmental organization, the Urban Green Lab, to advertise a presentation to the community so we could tell others how they can help themselves and the environment by making simple home improvement changes. Our presentation reached even more people than we had imagined because it was covered in a 2.5-minute news segment on a national television station.
I think it's huge. Obviously, kids have a huge impact on their homes.
Get the power to change the world!